St. Anthony's High Secondary School haka khat south rig jemang kalapun kop buram da kasong Pisa bat ka memento ya ki khat nyongut ki kena ki blawan shakmat haka board exam HSSLC but SSLC examination. Haka ni kesengi ladon rengkat lang Reverend Brother Albert Thakar, Principal jang St. Anthony's College Kumukongsan, Father Anthony Kharkongot, Principal jang St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Father Anthony Walang, Vice Principal, Rector Father Jivan Lakra, ki kena school jang St. Anthony's, kinong hikai bat ki kemi ki kapa jang ki kena ki bawan chakmat. Kini ki kena bala syapen kop buram kilong nyongut na science stream kita kilong I ishita bhatar chargi bala yo abad ke kerdan ke balai ibala yo saus pa andrib khandai ke total marks isumitra jha ibala yo abad ke kerdan ke basan but ibala yo he tam ha computer science ibala yo khandai pe pra marks but ke total mark kalong saus pa andrib ho isargam data but isharman kongsit ki bala yo bat ka kerdan ka bahnyo but ki bala yo saus pa san busaw ka total marks isangam pol ibala yo bat ka kerdan ka bapra but ibala yo ka total marks saus pa san phulai ibaswadip na ibala yo bat ka kerdan ka bakhandai but ibala yo he tam hak subject mathematics ibala yo hadu shispa marks but ka total marks ka long saus pa san pho isam janai sinna ibala yo bat ka kerdan ka bishpho but ibala yo ka total marks saus pa saw pun real Hinyongut na commerce stream kita kilong I akshat podar ibala yo abad ka kerdan ka baar ibala yo he marks tam ye ka subject accountancy but ka IP ibala yo shispa but khandai pupra but ka total marks ka long saus pa nyo pupra isa takshidas but isneha pol ibala yo abad ha ka kerdan ka balai ha ka ba ka total marks jungki ka long saus pa nru pulai idipak sithya ibala yo abad ka kerdan ka basan but ka total marks jung I ka long saus pa san pusaw Ineng nei ching ibala yo bat ka kerdan ka bahnrio bat ka total marks jong I ka long saus pa san pulai ipiba lam ti marwen ibala yo bat ka kerdan ka bahnyo bat ka total marks jong I ka long saus pa san puwe ikashish sharma ibala yo bat ka kerdan ka bakhandai bat ka total marks jong I ka long saus pa saw pupra Laingut na art stream kita kilong idena mesha nyautai ibala yo he tam ha ka subject IP but history ibala yo khandai pun riu habaro artali ki subject but ka total marks jung I ka long saus pa saw pun riu I Aaron Raphael Dingdo ibala yo he ha ka subject English 1 ibala yo khandai saw marks but ka total jung I ka long saus pa life way I Daryl Elijah G Moment ibala yo he ha ka political science ibala yo khandai pui marks but ka total jung I ka long saus pa ar pun nyo But iway pat bapas ya ka SSLC bakarteng I Ansh Gurung ibala yo abat ka kerdan ka ba nyo ilayo ka total marks ka ba san spa san punyo Haba ai jingkren I Brother Albert Thakar ila ai ka jingero ka jingtri shitom jong ki khna ki bala pas bha but kham tamru ikinong hikai ki bala ai jing hikai ki khna ki bala tri shitom bha but ru ula ai ka jingero ki kimi ki kpa ki bala ai lat ki khna bikin yo ban puli bikin wan shakman Ulekin tui ki kena bikin longkum ka klieng namar ka klieng kam juban ye ki mar bapot. Kum ta ulong bawat nom shania than ha ki notes jong ki seniors namar ka pentron no e ka jing mut jing perkhat jong ki. Shu ulong baki deban long ki ba shempang ha bale e ka nuku kam namar ka nyarap ye ki ha ka laway ka bansawan.
What a beautiful message. Delight and gratitude fills me as I take my place once again behind this lectern to see returning home to school for the last time as our Rhine holders do it, accompanied of course by your parents, guardians, not to forget your teachers who have walked with you these past years and more. It is always an emotional moment for all of us and one that we shall continue to talk about for a long time. Every batch of students is unique, every celebration special, and every moment priceless. There is no repeat performance possible of such an event that comes together only once and is forever immortalized in the pages of history of the school. Regardless of how each one of you began your journey, I'm happy to note that you have completed with flying colors, enabling you to be seated here today in our midst. I'm very much aware and happy to note also the fact that many of you students have put in a lot of effort to get to this event. A few of you flew in from various states, bunking your classes, which is already started. Others have traveled all night by bus and car from in around Meghalaya, while many dropped whatever they were doing here at home to get to the school again. Dear students, we are very glad that you did what you had to do to be here with us today. And it gives me great joy in extending to you and to your parents and guardians warm Antonian welcome as well as congratulations. Dear proud and happy parents and guardians of our students, it is indeed a happy day for you today. It is a special moment for me to be able to say congratulations and welcome to you to this program today. Thank you for being here with us. Your prayers have been answered and your hopes have been honored. Despite the many challenges that life might have thrown at you as a family, a father, a mother, an aunt, an uncle, coupled with the worries that disturb you as you ponder on the future of your children, and you have made it through. It is a side of relief, isn't it, to see your children getting a rhyme from this school, and for many of you to see them pursuing, to see your children going to various reputed institutes in the country. Dear parents, we would like to thank you for trusting us with your children and for giving us the opportunity and the privilege to mold them and to equip them to become the men and women that you envision them to be. For 2 years and more, your children, as a student of this school, you have given us the privilege of working with them through the most difficult phase of their lives as they struggle to discover themselves, their strength and their weakness, and more importantly, their challenging, their callings. We are deeply grateful to you for having trusted us in this way, and especially for giving us your support and your approvals of our initiative and programs taken and created for the welfare of the children. Dear teachers, behold all around you the result of your efforts and the fruit of your service. Each of these students who got the rank and who pass out of this institute will be leaving this great school with your fingerprints on their minds and your countenance in their hearts. You have shaped their thoughts and warmed their hearts, and you have led them to the threshold of a new life with better prospects in the years to come. Congratulations are in order, and thanks to your good measure for everything that you have done to make them worthy of this today. May God reward you richly as you continue to labor for the good of many more young men and women. Guru, who was here 11 years with you, I would go with this word, saying a big thanks to you, dear teachers, who taught him from nursery up to others 10 and others with 12. A few words to you, my dear students, who are the rank holders. I would go with one of those students who said, be true to yourself and also true to your parents and to the God who has made you who you are and what you are today. Seek blessing always, and he who has given you life will bless you always. There is no greater glory than being alive, being a source of light, peace and joy to people who are traveling through dark and difficult days. To live for oneself is at best being mere human. To live for others is godliness. The world has never been in hope of a man saving his own life, but it has been moved to greater height by one who reaches out to save a creature as lowly as a dog. how much more will you inspire it when you step out of your comfort zone, out of narrow self-centered walls to touch and transform others within your reach. Go then, my dear students, be the best that you can be, not forgetting others who are struggling around, seeking for your help, and make the motto of your school forever echo in your heart, Batuti at Studio. Never be selfish, never be individualistic, but you must give yourself. Look around, because you are an intelligent. But when you give yourself, happiness will multiply, blessing will multiply, and you are there who should be living a life for others. You may be a commissioner, you may be an engineer, you may be a doctor. You will be the happiest person when you extend your hand to the other. And to my other students who are seated there, you have seen your seniors got a rank and walking out of the institute. You should be an eagle who should fly alone, not with small birds, not with small people. Fly alone and do something. Do well in your life. And remember, eagles never eat dead things. They always eat alive things, alive flesh. And you should be very creative. Never copy the notes of your seniors. Be creative, be innovative, and do it yourself, because you are an author. You can also write a national anthem like Rabindranath Tagore did, because you are an author, and I believe you can do it. Long live to your institute, and once more congratulations to the principal, vice principal, the rector, the teachers, the new teaching staff, and all of you, the rank holders, and all of you, my dear students. You are smart, you are active, and you are alive, because you are a Bostonian and you are a Antonian. Thank you for the opportunity, and I shall keep you in my prayer, because you are an Antonian, and I will feel proud whenever you do something great, but sad when you do something sad. Thank you.
Habayo jingkren negi kena ke blasha pen kup buram kelai thu ik jing e jongki bat kelai ro ikinong hikai ke belabut din yaki.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here, Father Principal, Father Vice Principal, our Chief Guest, and my beloved teachers, dear juniors, and the organizers of the program. My name is Akshay Kolar and I am from Commerce Street. Today, I am here to deliver a small message to all my teachers, juniors, and the school for thanking them for my achievement. First of all, I am so grateful to be standing here in front of you all with this award. Thank you to the school authorities of this prestigious institution for recognizing my work. This is a moment of honor in my life. I am deeply grateful for what I have received. I am fortunate to start my journey as a student in here, St. Anthony's. This institution and the incredible teachers who worked here have taught me everything I know today. I would like to give a special mention to all my subject teachers, starting with Ms. Lepender Pada, Sir Loyaltin Shala, Sir Ramu Sharma, Ms. Vantina Khardongor, Sir Amit Kumar Sinha, Sir Pawan Kumar Gupta, Sir Vedelbat Khashik, Ms. Atula Yarik Sharma, Ms. Alva Rajuri, Ms. Sujata Mishra, Ms. Hibali Khanayar, Sir Chirag Rathod. The dream of receiving this award came into reality only because of the motivation and support that I have received from these teachers. The reason why I want to thank them firstly is because fundamentally they are the ones who brought me into shape. My teachers gave me courage and strength to develop my interest towards studying. They understood my potential and motivated me tremendously throughout the course of time. To Today, I really want to dedicate this award to all of my teachers. This award is your recognition, respected teachers. Secondly, I would like to thank my lovable parents who stood by my side at all times. This award is just a glimpse of my gratitude towards them. They are my true blessings. Finally, this is an unforgettable moment of my life. This school, teachers, friends, memories will always be dear to my heart. It will remind me that hard work and consistency always pays off. Furthermore, whenever I look at this award, it will motivate me to achieve more success in life. Thank you all for listening to my speech. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
And a cheerful morning to each and everyone present here today. My name is Ansh Guru, and as a student of Class 10A 2022-2023, I am here to deliver my farewell come felicitation speech. Today, as I stand before you as the 7th rank holder of SSLC 2023, I would first like to thank God for everything. Because without His blessings, without His grace, I would never be able to come this far. Thereafter, I would like to thank my family members, my teachers, and all my dear friends. Because without them, getting such a good result wouldn't have been possible. My journey here at St. Anthony's began as a student of Class KG in 2012, and it ends as a student of Class 10. A tremendous 11-year journey where I met great teachers, made many wonderful friends, and learned innumerable lessons and values. To all the teachers with whom I had the opportunity to learn from at least once, thank you. And to all my friends with whom I had the privilege of sharing the same class at least once, thank you to you all as well. And since Class 10 was my last class here, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude towards each and every teacher who taught the class of 10A. Starting off with our computer teacher and our class teacher, Sabibi Sarki. Thank you, sir, for always keeping us advanced in computer science, so much so that we have already completed much of the topics of Class 11 already in Class 10. Then, I would like to thank Ms. Lasker, our science teacher, for making us believe that science is not a very difficult subject as far as Class 10 is concerned. Then, I would like to thank our social science teacher, Ms. Shada, because without our highlighted portions and her extra questions, social science would have been a terrible tragedy indeed, as I was not interested in that subject at all. Thank you, Ms. Aja, our Hindi teacher, for making us push our limits throughout the year, and providing us with all the notes and good explanations, while our only job was to study. Thank you, Ms. Empibel, for giving us all the freedom in the EVS classes, and thank you, Sir Bennett, for giving us the values of life, as well as PTs in the value education classes. Thereafter, I would like to sincerely thank our maths teacher, Ms. Marvin Young, for always working hard for us throughout the year, no matter what was going on in our life.